Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on a Dodge Ram 1500. First, park your truck on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is correct for accurate results. Next, measure the distance from the ground to the center of your headlight beams. Mark this height on the wall with a horizontal line. This line will be your reference point for proper alignment. Now let's locate the adjustment screws. Open the hood of your Dodge Ram 1500. You'll find two adjustment screws on each headlight assembly. One screw is for vertical adjustment, moving the beam up or down. The other screw handles horizontal adjustment, shifting the beam left or right. You'll typically need a Phillips head screwdriver or a specific Torx bit for these adjustments. With your low beams on, begin the adjustment. For vertical aim, turn the appropriate screw until the top edge of the brightest part of the beam aligns with the horizontal line you marked earlier. Then, adjust the horizontal screw to center the beam. Remember, you want the hot spot of the beam to be slightly below the line. Repeat these steps for the other headlight, adjusting each one separately. After adjusting both headlights, step back and observe the overall pattern. Ensure both beams are symmetrical and properly aimed. Take your Dodge Ram 1500 for a short drive, preferably at night, to confirm the adjustments provide clear visibility without blinding oncoming traffic. If you're unsure or encounter persistent issues, it's always a good idea to consult a professional for a precise alignment. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.